What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Google Forms on your PC or laptop. Go ahead and open up whichever browser that you have, and once you open up your browser, ensure that you go to google.com. You might want to sign in as well, sign into your account if you haven't signed in just yet. And at the top right, you will find the apps icon here for Google. Click on that. Now in the list, you want to scroll down in this list and look for Forms. And as you can see, you can find it here. It does not necessarily have to be right here. It could be anywhere. So you just want to scroll and look a bit until you find it. Once you click on Form, you'll open up Google Forms, right? And so within Google Forms, you can create a blank form from here. As you can see, you can click on the blank form, or you can create your own form, or you can go ahead and start with some of these templates that you can see right here. And you can click to expand it to see what are the different templates that are available. And all of these templates, they're fully customizable. So if you find something that you like, you can always go ahead and modify it to the way you want. So let's say I want to work with, for example, this assessment one here. I can click on it. And as you can see, it's going to load up right into my Google right here. And you can see right here that the form is there, and I can always go ahead and modify it and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and access Google Forms on your PC or laptop.